Okay, so today I'm going to go and show you how to set up my Plants vs. Zombies kit. First thing you're going to want to do is import the model, press OK, ungroup it, now something I forgot, so also there are instructions right here, but this video will go a bit more in depth, so first thing you're going to want to do, which isn't in the instructions, which I will update, is you're going to want to go under the Model tab, go to Collisions Group, and add a group, click Add Group, label it Plant, add that one by pressing Enter, so you can see I already have it, and then click these off after going into List View. Do that for the Zombie 2. Click this one off. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to group these into their respective area. Once that's done, I'm going to show you how to add a plant. For this demonstration, I'm just going to make a ice shooter. Okay, there I have my model. There's a few things to note when making a model. It has to have a primary part, which should be humanoid root part, as you can see. To set this, you literally just click on the part you're setting as the primary part. And then also, it must have this value, this config value, and an attack and idle animation. And you will probably have to update these because I own this animation and it's not public right now. So yeah, let's go ahead and customize the ice shooter. Okay, we finally have our model. Now I'm going to put this in the plant folder, and I'm going to copy down this name. Next, I'm going into my main GUI, title screens, character select, and character frame, and then I will duplicate the pea shooter because that's what I did. It's just easier. I will name it to ice shooter. Its cooldown, I set it to 10 up here, if you look. Ice shooter, cooldown 10. Not to be confused with attack cooldown. Now I'm going to go ahead and capture an image. Okay, now that I have my image, I'm going down to slot image. Oh yeah, you have to make it a public game first. Okay, now that I have it as a public image, I'm going back to my character frame, which is I shoot it right here, and I'm going down to slot image. Where is it? Image, add image, choose file. And I'm also going to make don't need these. I'm also going to make, let's see. Oh yeah, the layout order to be 4, that way it just appears last. And finally, I'm gonna make this plant locked, and I will have it be unlocked under level info, world 1, level 2, unlockables. Just duplicate this and paste it. And I will put ice shooter. Again, make sure these match. And now let's go and test that out. As you can see right here, we have our new plant. Of course, we can't select these until we beat the level, but let me go ahead and just edit my value. My worth. It'd be nice just to go in here and edit player object number value worth 100. There we go. We go into player GUI, just find your player under players, the main UI. Locked false and walnut locked false. 1, 2, 3, 4 and start. See, we have our ice shooter right here. Let's test it out. I've already scripted in the freezing ability. It should just slow the zombie down and also should create particles so we can tell. Yep, right there. And just like that, we've added a plant. Okay, next up, I'm going to show you how to add a level. This is really simple. You just go under the world you want to add a level to. Find literally any button. Duplicate it. Change the number. Change the value. And select whether you want it to be locked or not. Yes, I do want it to be locked. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to level 3. Duplicate this. Rename it to level 4. I'm going to keep this all the same except for unlockables. I will... No, yeah, I'll keep that the same too. So I'll go ahead and show you Yeah, go here, unlock bonus level. This will unlock world 1 level 4. So this level will be unlocked after level 3, and then I'll go ahead and show you how to do waves and stuff. So to start off with, initial start is the wait time before the first zombie spawns, which I will keep at 25. It's the best number I found. And then I'll go down to my first wave. Again, you can have any amount of waves you want. Just make sure that the very last wave has this value. You can just drag it and drop it into any of these, but make sure it's in the last one. And also, label your waves going up from 1. So under the first wave, you can see we have wait till next. This is just the wait time to the next wave. It's 30, so once this spawns the zombie, it'll wait 30 seconds before it spawns the next one. And then under zombies, this is just an object value. You click the value and then you click the zombie you want to spawn. It's already perfect at normal, so I will click off that. And then specific row. If you want it to spawn in a specific row, then put the row number. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if you want it to be random, 0. And then also we have the max row and the minimum row. So let's say you want there to be only rows 2 through 4. The minimum row you just replace with 2 and 4, and we'll only have these 3 rows. If you want it to be just 3, the middle row, then you just put down 3. It'll literally just be this row right here. And here, I'll even show you. Yeah, okay. Oh, and make sure to update the text. As you can see, it's just this middle row. And zombies will only spawn on this middle row. I'm gonna change that back to 5 and 1 though, because this is level 4. And then, yeah, that's basically everything. That's how you add levels. And then of course you can customize the text buttons. Alright, I'll go ahead and show you how to add a world. First thing you're going to do is you're going to want to copy this level info folder, and then you're going to rename it to the next world, which will be world 3 for me. Next, you're going to duplicate this. I am not going to have any buttons because it's going to just be a levelless world. Then you're going to go down here, duplicate this, rename it to world 3. You can customize this, you can change the color, whatever you want to do. And then you're also going to want to update this value to be 3. First of all, update this text to be world 3. And then inside replicated storage, go down to worlds, and then you're going to want to add another map. I'll just duplicate it and use the same one, but you want to update this value to be the world 3 map. And to create a map, you literally can just drag this. You can just drag this out and then take everything here and below, delete and build around this. But again, everything inside here must stay. And you know what? I will go ahead and go to my world selector, change the background of this just to be a random color. Do the same for the button, and there we go. We just added a new world. And oops, forgot to place this back. Take your map out, and oh, actually there is one last thing. You have to go into cameras, find your World 2 camera. This is where it will be pointing when you start the game. This is what World 2 looks like. It's just if you, in case you want to make a roof level or something like that. I always keep a frame in to see where it's pointing. You'll rename this to World 3 and move it wherever you want. That looks good. And just like that, your game is done. It's everything you need to know. I tried to make this as customizable as possible. Hopefully I did a good job. If you want me to add anything, just comment it below, and thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.